Listen, the antidote to chaos is control. And as crazy as things are, survival mode is just, it's an easy default, but nobody wants to be in survival mode all year. Sometimes we just don't know any better. So when we can take what we've expected before a pandemic and narrow it down, I call it constraining properties. I'm not at home, so I don't have like good stuff, but you ever pull a shape into a PowerPoint? It's a rectangle, but the rectangle's too big for your screen. So you grab the corner of it and you make it smaller, but the dimensions are the same, right? You just can, it's the same thing. So half and whole, you got to find a way to hang on to our fundamental purpose.